Okay. This is what you will receive. It's the first time we show it in public. If you remember, the original units we showed had wires and everything else. It's all gone. Again, it's advancement in technology. And even this is like Apple 1 will have Apple 10 and 15 and 20, and you can imagine what will come. Very soon, the way we see it, this white unit, as we develop, will go into the headset. So one headset will be a complete unit with everything. And what you see there, you don't dream anymore because you're a creator of reality in the dimensional fields. We have to learn that we live two-dimensional life. We call it the dream. No, that dream is not a dream. It's a reality we ignored. We call it a dream because we couldn't handle it. Now we have to handle it. And I foresee maybe in 3 years, 5 years, that we reduce even those headphones to single units embedded within the structure of the physical life of the man in the communication with the solar physicality. In a way, in the bloodstream. Quite possible. That allows instantaneous conversion in transmutation. But this is in time ahead. So what do you call it? Dean has brought is part of his own intuition and part of being maybe a member of Universal Council. And in the past few days, we have delivered such a dummy unit. There's nothing in it, just shows. It's in, what do you call it? In the exhibition center, which is still running till we pack it up in the next few days and weeks. The links we have given notice to are what we call the owners of the properties that will be leaving by the end of October. So till we get to that point, it's just anybody goes into exhibition, you can see things.